Hello and welcome to Unit 4. Vocabulary, vehicles. In this unit, we will study the following words: van, bus, coach, car, taxi, bicycle, mountain bike, scooter, motor scooter, moped, motorbike, ambulance, police car, fire truck, garbage truck, crane, forklift, tractor, subway, train, tram or streetcar, aerial tramway, helicopter, airplane, boat, rowboat, and ship. Let's start. Van, van. Bus, bus. Coach, coach. What's the difference between a bus and a coach? A coach is usually used for long distance journeys, and the word coach comes from horse-drawn carriages and stagecoaches. And in a coach, you usually have forward-facing seats, and there is no room for passengers to stand. There is onboard entertainment and a toilet, and you also have a luggage compartment here under the passenger seats. So those are the differences between a coach and a regular bus. In a regular bus, you don't really have onboard entertainment. You have both forward-facing seats plus sideways facing seats, and there is plenty of space for people to stand or passengers to stand in a normal bus. Let's move on to the next set of words. Car, car, taxi, taxi. The difference between a car and a taxi is that when you use a taxi, you have to pay the driver to take you to your destination. You can have VIP taxis where the driver provides you an individualized or personalized service with onboard entertainment, or you could either have a normal taxi. Bicycle, bicycle, or you can also call it a bike, a bike. Mountain bike, mountain bike. What's the difference between a bicycle and a mountain bike? A bicycle is usually lightweight with drop handlebars, and if you look at the tires, you'll see that the tires are meant to be used in or on paved roads because the tires are kind of narrower than the tires of a mountain bike. If you look at this mountain bike, you can see that this bike's tires are made for rugged or mountain trails. It has flat handlebars and wide knobby tires. So those are the differences between a bicycle that you can use to travel to work, maybe on a street road or city road, and a mountain bike is something that you can use to do off-road biking. Scooter, scooter, motor scooter, motor scooter. A scooter can be also called a kick scooter or a push scooter because you need to kick or push with your feet in order to propel the scooter to move forward. Or if it's an electric scooter, you don't really have to kick or push for it to move forward. What's a motor scooter? A motor scooter has a motor and it has a step-through chassis and footrest platform. Motorbike, motorbike, moped, moped. What's a moped and what's a motorbike? Motorcycles or motorbikes are two-wheeled vehicles designed for higher speeds and are equipped with better acceleration and high-speed handling characteristics. In comparison to a motor scooter, you can travel further and for longer periods, so on a motorbike. What's a moped? The word moped originally referred to a type of small motorcycle with both a motorcycle engine and bicycle pedals. But now we don't have the bicycle pedals, you don't pedal it, you have a motor in a moped. But what's the difference between a motor scooter and a moped? The difference comes in the size, the shape, plus licensing. In most areas or in many countries, you don't really need a license to ride a moped. And it cannot go fast as a motorbike or a motor scooter. Ambulance, ambulance, police car, police car. Fire truck, fire truck, fire engine, fire engine. Garbage truck, garbage truck. The main purpose of a fire truck is to transport water and firefighters to scenes of fire, for example a house fire or a fire like a bush fire or forest fire, etc. Garbage truck is used to collect solid waste and transport the solid waste to waste treatment facilities or landfills or transfer stations. Crane, crane. Forklift, forklift. Tractor, tractor. What's a crane and what's a forklift? What are the differences between these two words? A crane is a type of machine generally equipped with a hoist rope, as you can see here, there is a hoist rope here, or wire ropes or chains in order to move objects horizontally or lift and lower objects. In comparison, a forklift is used to lift heavy things and transport them to other places. You can see forklifts in a supermarket or even in warehouses. A tractor. What's a tractor? A tractor is used to deliver high tractive effort at slow speeds and to carry farming equipment or machinery from one place to another. Subway, subway, or you can also call it the metro, underground train or the tube. Train, train. What's the difference between a train and the metro? To ride the metro you need to go underground, and to ride the train you just need to go to a train station, which is not necessarily underground. Tram, tram. Aerial tram or aerial tramway. What are the differences between a tram and an aerial tramway? The most obvious difference is that a tram is working on a road, it runs on a road, whereas an aerial tramway operates in the sky along a line that is stretched between two destinations. Helicopter, helicopter. Airplane, airplane. Boat, boat. Rowboat, rowboat. Ship, ship. What's the difference between a boat and a rowboat? A rowboat has two oars and you have to paddle using the oars in order to propel the boat forward. As you can see in this picture, this man is using the two oars to row the boat on this lake. In comparison to a rowboat, a boat usually has a motor and it can travel further than a rowboat. What's a ship? A ship is obviously bigger, stronger, and more durable than a boat, and it can carry more passengers or cargo across destinations, countries, across seas, etc. Let's recap the words that we learned today. In Unit 4, we looked at the following words: van, bus, coach, car, taxi, bicycle, mountain bike, scooter, motor scooter, moped, motorbike, ambulance, police car, fire truck, garbage truck, crane, forklift, tractor, subway, train, tram or streetcar, aerial tramway or aerial tram, helicopter, airplane, boat, rowboat, and ship. That is the end of Unit 4. Thank you for listening. See you soon.